I just had 3 amazing days here at Shanti Space in Portugal with the PlayPauseBe team. It was fantastic to try 3 different types of yoga, and we had also some workshops that were really interesting, because even if you are new to yoga, you can learn a lot of stuff. And yeah, it's amazing. We were a fantastic group of people. We were like-minded. We had deep conversations, and it was just amazing.
You feel like we stay a long time into the poses and you're like, hey, I want to get out of this. But actually, what we're actually opening is the fascia.
Been here since Thursday, and in some ways it feels like a lifetime, and in other ways it's gone quick as a flash. Teachers have been amazing, food has been spectacular, and the company completely outstanding. Couldn't recommend it more. Wherever you are in your yoga practice, just come join in. What a great bunch of people, and what a fabulous way to spend a few days. Thanks so much.
If you want to come into this one, I would go through a highlight. I think.
Thanks to PlayPauseBe for this retreat. This was very nice, and I met beautiful people and a beautiful place. So thank you.
It's not a lie. So to keep us on track, we have to.
Hi, I'm Giulia. I illustrated the PlayPauseBe deco card, and this is my first yoga retreat, and it was an amazing experience. I love all the people and the energy and the connection, and thank you so much. It was amazing.
It was a very nice journey for different kind of aspects of yoga, building from like slow practices, starting within and getting like warmer and warmer with our muscles, till we get to like a Ashtanga kind of series today. Yeah, the place is amazing. It's in the woods in Portugal, next to Lisbon. The weather is awesome, the garden is fantastic. It gives you space to think and basically connect with new people that you haven't met before. Yeah, well, I can only say thank you and hope the next retreat is soon.